Hello and welcome to Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Allegations of torture and death in Assam Rehabilitation Center. Search underway for missing 76-year-old in Khubor district. KSU Ranikor circles warns trucks over road and bridge damage. And KADC updates on bill approval and border security funds. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Samla has formally complained to Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, alleging that Nick Samseng CH Marak, arrested on July 2nd and held at the New Life Foundation Rehabilitation Center in Nayapara, Golpara, Assam, may have been tortured and killed. Marak's body, discovered with severe bruising on the head, neck and legs, was found under suspicious circumstances shortly after his arrest. Samla has urged Sharma to investigate the alleged torture and death, emphasizing that Marak's relatives have filed an FIR. He calls for a thorough inquiry to ensure justice and accountability for those responsible. Pip Lingdo, a 76-year-old grandmother from Diwan Nongtulu, Khubor district, has been missing since the morning of 8th July 2024. Lingdo, who has been in poor health for the past 4 years, left her home at 10 a.m. and has not returned. Despite a search operation conducted by her relatives and the Donbosco Diwan across nearby villages and forests, she remains unlocated. Sterling Khamdej, secretary of Diwan village, stated that an FIR will be lodged with the police if she is not found soon. The family urges the public to report any sightings of Lingdo to them or local authorities immediately.
Ja na du pesngi nengkong ke pratarik jong bena Julai. Imi na ying kum haga pores po stang tu idon ru haga jing duna haga berperkat. La don ke jing stom tal akum ba la sau snem ilek iwan man kesngi tambah jam tu ar kenta lai kenta din keta ilawan pai jaman tu praterik pat imi na ying ap mi tikat no nor mon pai siu hadin keta ngila lek wat sene setai paramarjan klem lap tapat ini paramarjan gilaya wat hadu mentar ngilaya wat empat lap jadi ngimpat ka FIR ngimpat bu ngidang siu ya wat senang mentah menin ngilaya wat mentah kesngir ngilaya wat kajan pong jeng i kedi ka blos karong li dan sentiu berit mentah jang kerja pat bablu bathoyong bablu barik kho jerong rum da jerong lengkot kerta jeng irul adon nyau penerus nem ngamla wan betai namar man kesngi imi na yeng mde tang ha ketu kesngi ba ija man kesngi man kapor ija imi tang ba ilek iwan ha ke sisngi ru ilek license sausen sisngi tang ba sija kai tentu sikenta wan pai ha ketu pratari pat klemon pai hadu menta jingjak banengkong ha gede jingjak banengkong nor isi don wong ngilap henta hayau ngilap tengah ngiru ngile iau tang klem dia kendu klem dia i.
The Khasi Students Union KSU Ranikor Circle has issued a warning to truck drivers regarding the deterioration of the road from 18th mile to Umpung, which includes 8 wooden bridges. Marconi Thongni, president of the KSU Ranikor Circle, reported that overloaded trucks have caused significant damage to these roads and bridges, raising safety concerns, especially during the rainy season. The union has noted that if trucks continue to exceed the 9-ton load limit, the remaining wooden bridges and 2 major bridges in Umpung and Borbasing could collapse. While the union does not intend to ban truck movement, they have mandated compliance with load restrictions and plan to set up a check gate on July 15th to enforce these rules.
Nama liang jong ka kisiran korskel ni adin ba hila yashong perhat namta kasurok hata yopo area jong karanikor kebayat yang ba kasinong ranikor ukro bat hadu hampung ban lech samosram ye nakaliang jungi hila perhat adin ba ngili ki trok overload ki babon maha ki balayat ta man kamit ke ngili ke jingjot ki surok ngili ya ke jing tua ki jing hap ki kontro itu ki jingking margi adu menta apo jong ketu ke area ka surok kaba ki jingking ki dangdon adu nyotli ki badang de ki ciking dieng hangsha kini kaba man kapor ka juan ra ki jing ko akayat ke yang nomor ba kini ki jingking man kapor ki cuyai pentut dijemput nomor pa ke jengiat jika di overload menta kalong lapun ma kini ke ba nak liang seng ngila somperhat ba ya menta ke mar kadai ke porliur ke surok ru kala songjam jingking ke ba telot ke ba nak liang ke pliudi ke balabu iki sanbot menta palat sibnai balabu man ki jingking ding ki labu bangkit kandaiton te seng nakaliang jungi mimkang ita kitrok kiban iat rei nang ni sakmat nadu kapsan tarik kide ban kit bet saupot amdei ban palat ya saupot ya kajingkit jungki kenang ba kajingkit kanomlong overload palat te nomar ba mi ba kajingkit overload kan bu jingma shibun iki jingking nomar ngidon ya main jingking bajrong ngidon artli ke badon ha Borbasing bridge barka hapo umpung tikini kijingking gidi balarimba.
During the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KADC Question R on July 10th, MDC Nongpo Balajid Rani inquired about the Khasi Social Customs and Lineage Amendment Bill. Deputy Chief Executive Member PN CM stated that while the bill has been approved by the KADC, it is still pending approval from the Governor's office due to unresolved issues flagged by the District Council Affairs Department. MDC Mitchell Wankar questioned whether funds were allocated for police outposts in the Langpi area through the 15th Finance Commission. CEM Panyat Singh CM confirmed no such funds were allocated, but the KADC has instead built a community hall at the proposed police outpost site for the border villages.
Mr. Chairman, sir, lalu pelukong hadirin maka game berkawai kelak rai ke Khubor, dan I ke special section bersenai ke police of course Lampi. Hadirin ba nalar pun ijinya kena berkaitan dengan shonsuk senai ke beri hari yang lalu hari. Hamtam kepada ko konstitusi jumpa pajak untuk fokus skills. De hadir kat ni hadir ba council kelas 6 ban initiate kita ka akan create impact pada soka nomor ba initiative jumpa government dan institusi ka police of force manu bershipti nomor nakal yang tinggi dan police force. De kalau belum bahkan kada diulang tentang kecil baik, banyak sikit government kelas I Like you are not the state government, yaka police of course, government body. The kata ni open block yaka executive committee, benar-benar kamu should simpan. I ketika jika amount apabila sanction special antara police of course lagi, but ya kini kapung kerja start nai local MDC, but nai executive committee Khubor la shim jika lagi IT no syakini kerja passion no. But kalau amount dari lain pula, berkakam banyak cuma 1% hingga 1%. Itu kita banyak ini ke lima dan I basic adjustment saya membawa ini nama.
On July 10th, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KADC Legislative Assembly decided to refer the delimitation report of MDC constituencies to a select committee for further review and scrutiny. The committee, led by Deputy CEM, PNCM and composed of both ruling and opposition members, was formed in response to widespread dissatisfaction among villagers and leaders regarding the proposed constituency arrangements. The move aims to address the concerns raised and ensure a more acceptable delimitation plan for the MDC constituencies.
Hamtam yang isi, yang itu kumju, bangikwa itu extension, bangikwa anda mau MDC itu, kalau benar, sistem, dengan itu tadi, bagi perlok, lagi babun, lagi itu ombe, maka election MDC lagi kuat kan loh, dengan mana ini pada extension, mulai apabila konstitusi yang ada delimitation committee, kuat bah dan dapat apa dia. Tingong kilaya siya laya apa ta? Balay ba ayat swing numba banginya tay banginya kuning ha hamdo badang ban ajimut hamdo badang ban panjimut nama kita ni konstitusi ni selalu dibabun dan kebentuan ini bagi Shillong sampai pada hari jadi Shillong. Nanti nak iro kerupat kita Shillong tiba ke Shillong di ay ka yang disusur ini mereka politik kampanye. Tengok kadang ngasuh bala galong, ba ay simpuas dia tambah kembali, tambah kembali. Jadi benda no, hapo ini ketika tadi ketem tadi kebangidan mereka, kebangidan. Kalau benda sesuatu, kalau benda sesuatu, kembali. Tambah lagu hapo kenika ke tiang itu ni, kepada ada kenika kebangiyo extension dulu pernah, kemudian hapo ini berkembang. Kata tadi tentang show kedua, dia bawa orang enforce kata, dia bawa tembol kata, dia slow dan yang kedua ada along, ngelapan refer to select committee, jadi seluruh komite bukan study mah, yang menyimpan ayat itu mesti berok punya berjumut, no, jadi ngam biasa lagu kayak seperti kalau number dan burung ni.
So viewers, that is all for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.